Welcome back, everyone. Today's recipe is about the most delicious tofu and mushroom burger you will ever make. Let's get started. Start by sautéing 1 large onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and 2 cups of chopped cremini mushrooms. Sauté your veggies until there is no liquids left in the pan. In a food processor, add 2 cups of oats and 1 cup of crushed walnuts. Now process them for 30 seconds. Add your mushrooms and continue processing for a minute. Now let's add 2 cups of cubed extra firm tofu and process the mix for another 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of sliced boiled beets. Add some barbecue sauce of your choice, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of barbecue spices, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your mix reaches a uniform thick consistency, place it in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and freeze it for about a half an hour. Now let's make the patties. We made our patties thick, but you can make them as thick or thin as you want. This recipe will give you 8 thick patties. Bake the patties for 15 minutes in a preheated oven at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now finish cooking your patties by frying them at medium-high heat in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Fry the patties for 2 minutes on each side. Place your bun in the frying pan and toast it on both sides. Now let's assemble our burger. Add Dijon mustard, sliced tomatoes, garlic pickles, and top it off with spinach and arugula and enjoy. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a weekly upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.